हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। स्टडी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में आपका स्वागत है। सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी विल लर्न हाउ टू फाइंड आरएमएस वैल्यू। आज हम सीखेंगे कि आरएमएस वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं। आरएमएस वैल्यू इज़ रूट मीन स्क्वायर वैल्यू। सो फ्रेंड्स, सबसे पहले देखते हैं व्हाट इज़ वी आर एम एस। सो वी आर एम एस ऑफ एनी वेव फॉर्म इज अंडर रूट ऑफ area of waveform for one cycle upon its time period। मीन्स फ्रेंड्स, जिस वेवफॉर्म की भी हमें वी आर एम एस फाइंड आउट करनी है उसका हमें एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा उसकी एक साइकिल का, और अपॉन उसके टाइम पीरियड से डिवाइड कर देंगे एंड टेकिंग द अंडर रूट ऑफ दैट। नाउ फ्रेंड्स, टेकिंग फर्स्ट वेवफॉर्म, this is our first waveform. This is time axis t and this is v, voltage. So this is a sine waveform. This is 0, this is pi and this is 2 pi. This is Vm and this is minus Vm. Friend, जो peak value होती है, see, this is the peak value. Vm is the peak value of this waveform. So Vm here is peak value, and this curve is v of t. This is varying with time, this curve is varying with time, so v as a function of t is Vm sine of omega t. The waveform of this, the equation of this waveform is v of t is Vm sine of omega t. Now we have to find its VRMS value. First of all, friend, the time period of this waveform is 2 pi. So 1 upon t is 1 upon 2 pi integrating 0 to 2 pi. Now we have to find the area of the waveform. Area of the waveform is just integration. So 0 to 2 pi Vm square sine square omega t dt. Now solving it, VRMS is 1 upon 2 pi. This Vm square is constant, taking it outside, Vm square 0 to 2 pi sine square omega t is 1 minus cos of 2 omega t upon 2 using this formula dt. So solving it again, Vm square upon 2 pi, this 2 I am taking it outside, 2, and integration of 1 with respect to t is dt is t minus integration of cos 2 omega t is sin 2 omega t upon 2 from 0 to 2 pi. This comes out to be Vm square upon 4 pi. Putting the values, this is 2 pi minus sine of 4 pi is 0, sine 0 is 0, so here the value is 0. Now solving it, this cancelled, this is 2, Vm square upon 2 under the root. So friends, here VRMS is Vm upon root 2 of this sinusoidal waveform. Now friends, taking the next example, this is our waveform. This is 0, this is pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, and this is 4 pi. This is Vm. Now we have to find out VRMS of this waveform. First of all, this is a sinusoidal waveform from 0 to 2 pi, and from pi to 2 pi its value is 0. So friends, here V of t is Vm sine of omega t from 0 to time period from pi, and 0 from t pi to 2 pi. Now we have to find out VRMS. This is 1 upon time period. Time period is here 2 pi. because after 2 pi wave is repeating itself. So 1 upon 2 pi integrating from 0 to pi. From 0 to pi our value is Vm square sine square omega t dt, and from pi to 2 pi our value is 0 dt. Solve 1 upon 2 pi is Vm square constant, 0 to pi 1 minus cos of 2 omega t upon 2 dt. This comes out to be Vm square upon 2 pi into 2, and while integrating we again get the same value. This is t is here pi, so pi minus integration of sine, cos is sine, and sine to pi is 0. So Vm square upon 4 pi into pi under the root. This comes out to be Vm square upon 4 under the root, which is Vm upon 2. So friends, the Vrms of this waveform is Vm upon 2. Basically this is a half wave rectifier which has a value Vm upon root 2, Vm upon 2, and last जो हमने वेवफॉर्म की थी that was full wave rectifier, and there we get value Vm upon root 2 Vrms. Taking the next example, zero to Vm. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 seconds. This is our time. Here again we have to find the Vrms of this waveform. So friend, from here, from 0 to 2 seconds, this is the one complete waveform. After that it is repeating again. So our time period is here 2 seconds. Now applying the formula, Vrms is under root of 1 upon t 0 to t v square as a function of t to dt. Applying this, here our time period is 1 upon 2 from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1 the value is Vm square dt, plus as a function of t here it is Vm, this Vm, and now from 1 to 2 the value is 0. Now solving it, this comes out to be Vm square upon 2 t 0 to 1, which is Vm square upon 2 under the root, that is Vm upon root 2. So friends, Vrms of this square waveform is Vm upon root 2. Taking the next example, this is our waveform. This is Vm, this is minus Vm, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2 seconds. Time is in second. This is the time period. Here similar procedure. First of all, this waveform has a time period of 2 seconds. Now Vrms is 1 upon t 0 to t v square as a function of time into dt. Now friends, here time period is 2 seconds. From 0 to 1 our value is Vm, so Vm square into dt, plus from 1 to 2 our value is minus Vm, so minus Vm square into dt. Now friends, integrate it, 1 upon 2, this is Vm square t from 0 to 1, and plus Vm square t, this is 2 to 1. Solving it, 1 upon 2, this comes out to be Vm square into 1 plus Vm square into 1. which is twice of Vm square upon 2 under the root. That is Vm. So friend, Vrms of this waveform is Vm only. Friends, now I am taking the sawtooth waveform. This is the sawtooth waveform. This is the time period and this peak value is Vm. Here we have to find out Vrms of this waveform. First of all friends, here time period is 1 second because after 1 second wave is repeating again. Now friend, this is the straight line. We have to find the equation of this straight line, which is y is equals to mx plus c. Here c is y-intercept and here y-intercept is 0. So I am taking c as 0, c is 0. So y is equals to, slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into, take it t so that no confusion of x terms. This is t. Now y is equals to y2, coordinates of this point is 1 comma Vm and here 0 comma 0. Now y2 minus y1, which is Vm minus 0 upon x2 minus x1, which is 1 minus 0 into t. So here y is equals to Vm into t. This is the equation of this line. So from 0 to 1 our equation is y is equals to mt, Vm into t. Now friends, we have to find the Vrms. 1 upon t, t is 1 second here, 1 from 0 to 1. The equation of this is Vm into t, so Vm square into t square dt. Integrating it 0 to 1, Vm square upon 1 is as it is. Now integration of t square is t cube upon 3 from 0 to 1, which is Vm square, putting the value 1 upon 3, which is Vm upon root 3. So friends, the Vrms of this sawtooth waveform is Vm upon root 3. Our next waveform is like this. This is also a sawtooth. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. This is our time period and this is Vm. Here again we have to find the Vrms of this waveform. First of all, equation of this line is y is equals to mx plus c. जैसे मैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन भी किया था बिल्कुल सेम वही है. Here c intercept is 0 and y is equals to, this is Vm into, I am taking x to be t, so Vm into t is the equation of the line. Same last procedure as it is, no variations. Y is equals to mt. Now friends, यहाँ देखिए, here time period is 2 seconds because after 2 seconds the wave is repeating itself. Now we have to find the Vrms of this waveform, which is 1 upon t, so 1 upon 2 from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1, the equation of the line is Vm square into t square dt plus from 1 to 2, value is 0. Solve it. Vrms comes out to be 1 upon 2 Vm square. This is t cube upon 3 from 0 to 1. This is Vm square upon 2, putting the value t equals to 1, 1 upon 3. So here Vrms is Vm upon root 6 is the Vrms of this waveform. Now friends, taking the next example, a little bit tough one. थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है ये sawtooth waveform. कुछ पल्स ऐसे वेरी कर रही हैं. This goes on. Here the peak value is Vm. This is minus Vm. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is the time period. Here also we have to find out VRMS of this waveform. So friend, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखिए जो यहाँ पे y इंटरसेप्ट है वो हमारा -Vm है. So the equation of line becomes y is equals to mt plus c. Here c is the y intercept and c is here -Vm. And equation of this line is, this is 2 comma Vm and this is 0 comma -Vm. And we have to find out the slope of this line. So y is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 plus c. C is -Vm. So here y2 is Vm minus y1 is -Vm. So minus minus plus upon x2 is 2 and x1 is 0 minus Vm. So y is equals to, this is twice of Vm upon 2 minus Vm. Friends, this is t. I forgot to write here. This is t and this is also t. Now 2 is cancelled. So y is equals to Vmt minus Vm. Take Vm common here. Vm t minus 1. So friend, now the equation of this line is y is equals to Vm into t minus 1. Now we have to find the VRMS. Same procedure following. VRMS is 1 upon, here time period is 2 seconds because after 2 seconds the waveform is repeating. देखिए यहाँ पे 2 सेकेंड है हमारा टाइम पीरियड, उसके बाद सेम वेवफॉर्म रिपीट होती जा रही है. So 1 upon 2 from 0 to 2, put this value Vm square t minus 1 whole square into dt. Friend, now solve it and integrate. This is 1 upon 2. I am taking Vm square constant outside the integration. 0 to 2, solve this. Open this bracket, t square plus 1 minus 2t dt. Again, now integrate. This comes out to be Vm square upon 2. This is t cube upon 3 plus t minus t square from 0 to 2. Now friends, put the value 2. Put t as 2 here, and after solving we get here VRMS is Vm upon root 3. सो फ्रेंड्स, इस एग्जांपल को मैं दोबारा आपको समझा देती हूँ कि ये मैंने कैसे किया है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस इज़ आवर वेवफॉर्म, दिस इज सॉटूथ वेवफॉर्म एंड इट वेरीज फ्रॉम प्लस Vm टू माइनस Vm. सो द इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन, इस लाइन की जो इक्वेशन है वो हमारी y इज इक्वल्स टू mt प्लस c, और जो यहाँ पे c होता है वो हमारा होता है y इंटरसेप्ट, एंड हेयर आवर y इंटरसेप्ट इज माइनस Vm. सो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ c एज माइनस Vm. नाउ m इज द स्लोप. Slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is y2 Vm minus y1 minus plus Vm plus Vm upon x2 is 2, 2 minus 0 is 2 into t minus Vm. So the equation comes is y is equals to Vm into t minus 1. Here I have taken Vm as a common. Now friend, ये हमारी इक्वेशन आ चुकी है y is equals to Vm into t minus 1. Now simple, we have to apply the formula of VRMS. 1 upon here time period is 2 seconds, so 1 upon 2 squaring it Vm square t minus 1 whole square into dt from 0 to 2. Vm square is constant, taking it outside, Vm square upon 2. Now solve this bracket, a square a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, t square plus 1 minus 2t dt. Now integrate it, t cube upon 3 plus t square upon 2, 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो माइनस टी स्क्वायर फ्रॉम 0 to 2. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ t as 2 here. We get VRMS is equals to Vm upon root 3. So friends, these are all cases which we have covered. So friends, अगर आपको हमारा सेशन अच्छा लगा है तो इसको लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.